Come shoot my Valentine mini session promos with me. Before a session, I always double check my lighting and then make sure I have 2 batteries charged up and ready to go. Once my client arrives, I introduce myself and then I give everybody a little bit of time to settle in and get comfortable. Once everyone's all settled in, I explain what'll happen next so everybody knows exactly what to expect. And then it's time to shoot. These Valentine mini sessions are short by design, but they really don't feel rushed. We have plenty of time to let the kids get comfortable and then start showing off their adorable little personalities. We do get a little silly sometimes, and I offer some small prompts, but I often just let the child be the child, and we end up with absolutely beautiful photos, like the ones you see here. If you'd like to see more behind the scenes or photography-related content, I would love for you to give me a follow. Thanks for watching. And if you made it all the way to the end of my video, I super appreciate you watching the whole thing.